Ever find yourself missing important calendar appointments on your iPhone like meetings, birthdays, anniversaries, or other events? If so, you're not alone. But don't worry, I've got some effective solutions to help you fix this issue and make sure you never miss an important event again. Let's dive in. Follow solution 1. Sync iCloud with Calendar app. Open Setting, tap Apple ID. Scroll down, tap iCloud. Tap See All right next to Save to iCloud. Find out Calendar app. Make sure to turn it on. If this is already turned on, then turn it off, then turn it back on again. Solution 2. Sync all the event for iCloud account. Open Setting, scroll down to the end. Tap App, tap Search, type Calendar. Find out the app. Open this up. Scroll down, tap Sync. Select All Event. Solution 3. Check events time and fix it. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, find out Calendars, tap on it, scroll down, tap Default Alert Time. Now please be aware of default alert time after setting an appointment. Solution 4. Offload the Calendar app. Open Setting, tap General, scroll down, tap iPhone Storage, find out your calendar, tap Offload again. Once you've completed these steps, you should never miss an important calendar appointment again. If you have any questions or issues, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.